In the next few minutes, you may start looking at your mattress a little differently. Because what you can't see is often what quietly affects your comfort, your sleep, and even your daily well-being. And that's exactly what we are focusing on today. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. In this review, we are looking at the Flybroom Mattress Vacuum Cleaner 550w 18kpa bed vacuum cleaner with smart dust sensor, UVC light, 149 degrees Fahrenheit heat, HEPA filter, handheld for bed, sofa, couch. This is a purpose-built cleaning device designed specifically for deep fabric cleaning at home. If you deal with dust sensitivity, pets, shared bedding, or simply want a more controlled and hygienic sleeping environment, this product is designed with you in mind. The purchase link is available in the description for easy reference. Now, the important question is not just what it does, but whether it genuinely adds value in real day-to-day use. Reason 1. Deep cleaning performance is where this device positions itself strongly. With a 550w motor and 18 kPa suction, combined with 35,000 revolutions per minute tapping action, it is designed to lift embedded dust and fine particles from mattress surfaces and fabric layers. In real use, this is not about visible dirt, but about what accumulates over time that regular cleaning often misses. This is where many users notice a more refreshed sleeping surface after consistent use. Reason 2. The smart dust sensor is a thoughtful addition. Instead of fixed power, the vacuum adjusts suction automatically based on detected dust levels. This makes the cleaning process more efficient and reduces unnecessary energy use on lighter surfaces, while still responding strongly to heavier dirt zones. It adds a sense of controlled automation that improves overall usability. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this feature is often highlighted for its convenience. Reason 3. The UVC light at 253.7 nanometers, combined with ultrasonic support, is included to assist in surface-level hygiene within fabric layers. While it should be understood as a supportive cleaning technology rather than a medical claim, it contributes to a more complete cleaning cycle when used correctly. For households focused on layered cleanliness routines, this adds an extra level of reassurance. Reason 4. Temperature-based drying at approximately 149 degrees Fahrenheit 65 degrees Celsius is another practical benefit. Moisture retention in mattresses and upholstery can contribute to odor buildup over time. This warm airflow helps maintain a fresher and drier surface feel after cleaning sessions, especially in humid environments or during seasonal changes. Reason 5. Filtration and disposal are handled through a multi-layer HEPA system capturing fine particles down to 0.3 microns, along with a triple dust cup design and one-touch emptying. In everyday use, this means less direct contact with collected dust and a more hygienic maintenance experience. For long-term ownership, this ease of cleaning is just as important as suction power. Now, for a balanced perspective. This is not a general-purpose vacuum cleaner, and it is not designed for large floor areas. It is specialized for fabric surfaces like beds, sofas, cushions, and quilts. That focus is exactly what gives it strength, but it also means it sits in a specific category of home hygiene tools. So, who is it best for? It is best suited for users who prioritize bedding hygiene, allergy-sensitive environments, pet owners, or anyone who prefers a more structured deep clean routine for soft surfaces. If that sounds like your situation, this product delivers a very targeted and practical solution. To conclude, the Flybroom Mattress Vacuum Cleaner stands out not because it tries to do everything, but because it focuses on doing one job thoroughly. And in home hygiene, that kind of focus often matters more than complexity. If you feel this aligns with your needs, take a closer look through the link in the description and decide at your own pace. Confidence in a purchase comes from clarity, not pressure.